Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Danny down in Georgia on this new RCI-2995DXCF. Danny, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Got your ultra bright LEDs in here, voltage regulator upgrade, buffer caps on the DC side and on the audio buffer, as well as our tuning alignment. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way up, 100 watt slug, 50 watts all the way up, roll it all the way down, set it down to 5 watts, Danny, that way if you solder an amplifier you get full adjustability. Average power swing, low, at 96 bird or so. Peak power, 250 watt scale, low, about 195. Alright, Danny, this beautiful radio is ready to come to you. I really hope you enjoy it, and I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.